Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a YouTube tutorial on how to make your videos go faster. So then if you're watching a lot of videos, a lot of them are informational videos, and you want them to speak faster so that you have more time to watch more videos, this is all you have to do. Just simply go onto whatever video you're watching, and then you can whenever you go onto the screen, this will pop up, and then go to settings. From settings, you'll see playback speed. Right now it's currently set on normal. All you have to do is go ahead and click this, and then you can choose between 1, which is normal, 1.25, 1.5, 2.0, and then so let me demonstrate. So if I go on this, let's first hear it on normal. So let's go and talk in.
Well, which was it?
Okay, so let me demonstrate if I go to playback speed at 1.25.
By the sixth patriarch of Zen, there were two monks arguing.
So I find 1.25 where it's the right balance of still understanding and comprehending. It doesn't sound like a chipmunk. Okay, there's 1.5 now.
Is it the wind moving the thistle down?
I have friends that listen to on 1.5, and here's 2.0.
After all, when you see a sailing boat, and there's a man in the sailing boat, who is moving the boat? Is it the wind moving the boat, or is it the man moving the boat because he was smart enough to put out a sail?
Okay, so
that's not a way of getting around.
No, there is an option to go 3.0, but then that is premium, so that means you have to start paying for it. It's like has some benefits like no ads. You know, you could download videos. So the only reason why you would probably want to listen to on 3.0 is if you're also downloading and then transcribing these videos or something like that. Most people can't really comprehend or understand someone speaking at 3.0 speed, 3 times the speed. So anyways, yes, this is just one way to save time. You know, I usually like to listen to the videos on 1.25. It's still recognizable, his voice, everything, and then you still get the information. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.